About 200,000 years ago, in the mountainous regions of Eurasia and under the shadow of glaciers, a mysterious human species lived, the Denisovans. They were close relatives of the Neanderthals, yet they belonged to an entirely different branch. One of the lost limbs of the human family tree, a species we still carry traces of today, but one we know very little about. The existence of the Denisovans was first revealed in Siberia's Denisova cave, a tiny finger bone and a few teeth. At first glance, these remains seemed insignificant, but they shook the scientific world. Genetic analysis proved the existence of an unknown human species. A new page was added to human history. They, too, used fire, crafted stone tools, hunted, and lived in small groups. But the greatest legacy of the Denisovans was not their archaeological remains. It was their genetic imprint. They encountered both Homo sapiens and Neanderthals. At times, they clashed. At times, they lived together. And they had children. Today, fragments of Denisovan DNA still remain in certain human populations. This genetic heritage is not just a memory of the past. It continues to affect us today. In particular, people living in Tibet and the Himalayas carry a special gene inherited from the Denisovans. This gene allows them to use oxygen more efficiently at high altitudes. In other words, modern humanity's ability to survive in the harshest environments is a gift from the Denisovans. The traces of Denisovans are not limited to DNA alone. Bracelets and crafted stone tools found in caves reveal that they were not only focused on survival, but also possessed imagination and an appreciation for aesthetics. These discoveries suggest that Denisovans, much like Homo sapiens, may have reached the capacity for symbolic thought. For centuries, their paths crossed with Neanderthals and Homo sapiens, but eventually, the Denisovans disappeared from history. Yet they never completely vanished. Their genetic legacy continues to live within billions of people today. From the Pacific Islands to the indigenous peoples of Australia, from the high villages of Tibet to Southeast Asia, the Denisovans are still with us. The story of the Denisovans reminds us of this truth. Human history is not only the story of those who survived, but also of those who vanished, yet continue to live within us. Their voices may be lost, but their breath still echoes in ours.